Hey there. If you're watching this, we're willing to bet you've tried to make money online before. You probably joined a company, got all hyped up, thought this is the one, and then, boom, nothing. No sales, no commissions, just a whole lot of frustration. Maybe you've even done this multiple times. You're not alone. And look, this part might sting a little, but it's the truth. The reason you didn't make money was you. Now, don't take that the wrong way. It's not because you're lazy or dumb or not cut out for this. It's because 99% of people aren't marketers. They aren't salespeople. And this industry just throws people into the deep end and says, good luck. No wonder people fail. But here's the good news. We fixed what's broken. What if, instead of trying to figure everything out yourself, you had a team of 7-figure marketers writing your social media posts, emails, and texts for you? What if you got access to the exact images, videos, reels, and hashtags that actually work? What if you had done-for-you funnels that convert like crazy, all set up and ready to go? Now, that'd be pretty awesome, right? But it doesn't stop there. Let's be real. Most people hate selling. You don't want to chase people. You don't want awkward conversations, and you definitely don't want to feel like a pushy salesperson. So we built a first-of-its-kind AI system that handles it all. It calls your leads. It texts and emails them. It gets them onto webinars where we do the presentation. And statistics show it closes 1 out of every 4 leads. You could be out to eat, at the gym, playing with your kids while the AI is working and closing for you. You just plug in, copy, paste, and the system goes to work. And the cherry on top? We've got a product people actually want and a comp plan that pays out up to 80% commissions. So here's your choice. Keep jumping from company to company, wasting money on starter kits and struggling to figure it out. Or let the pros do the heavy lifting for you. If you can copy and paste, that's the only skill you need. Fill out the form. Let's get you on the path to results, finally. We'll see you on the inside.